Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this fun kind of periwinkle sort of situation in my eyes, modeling it after this fan, as I will be telling you in the video, obviously, because I repeat myself like a million times about this fan because I love it so much. Let's just jump right to it, shall we? Because these openers are always just the worst, aren't they? Let's get to it and I will show you how to get this look. Alright, so first we're going to start off with some lotion. Always good to moisturize your face. Keeps it nice and healthy. My gosh, I cannot get the Mamma Mia 2 soundtrack out of my head. I went to see it a few days ago with my roommate. And the music is just so good. Like, it's one of those soundtracks that you listen to and you're automatically happy afterwards. Like, leaving the movie theater, I was so amped up. Like, it was just, oh my god. I literally left there and danced down the streets. Like, that's not even me over exaggerating. I literally was dancing down the streets. It was amazing. I just got so much happy energy from that movie. Like, it's just one of those good ones. I don't know, if a lot of stuff happened during that time of the week, I think I saw it at a perfect point. And I kind of set it off because I've just been so stressed lately, and stuff happened that kind of lifted away all that stress in a kind of weird way. I got to the new Anastasia palette. See that? The Norvina. Yeah. So pretty. Look at all those colors. I'm going to be starting off with this kind of periwinkle color. It's called Soul. But what I'm going to be trying to do with this look is a halo effect. So I guess Soul is kind of the perfect color for this. I got really inspired for this look with this beautiful fan my roommate got me when she went to Japan. So beautiful. So all these purples and kind of like navy blue stuff that's going on kind of inspired me. And then I got this palette, so it was kind of perfect. So we're just going to be focusing the kind of the periwinkle color on the outer and then the inner parts of the eye. And we're going to kind of go in between to connect two of them. We're going to leave as much as we can open with the center part of the eyelid. Take your time with this because you want to have blended nicely. Be very light when you're kind of blending in this inner part, especially if you don't have a smaller blending brush like me. So you just want to make sure that you're not going into the center part of the eyelid at all with this. It's just the outer and inner that's getting the most of this color. So you can kind of see how left most of it on here and on the inner corner. It's all going to be blended together. I'm just going to darken this up a little bit more. I'm just going to be doing like patting motions. And then just trying to connect it, but I'm staying away from the center of this eyelid. Careful where you're doing the inner corner so you don't just stab yourself in the eye like I just did. I'm going to be going in with another new product. It's by NYX. It's Vivid Brights color. It's a nice purpley tone. I'm just going to be taking it on the flat brush, kind of like this one. See that? And this is the color we're going to be putting right in the very center of our eyes. Just kind of pack it on in the area you want to start focusing on, and then I like to use my finger to kind of blend it out a bit. So it kind of softens it a little. You're just going to be putting this on the open part of the eyelid. And if the edges look a little bit too harsh right now where it goes into the Soul color, Don't worry, we're gonna be going back through and kind of blending it a little bit more. You kind of have to work quickly with this stuff because it dries a bit too fast. Alright, so we're just gonna go back in with that soul color and kind of fade it a little bit. Just kind of feather it. Okay, so that's kind of the situation we're going with color. Now I'm just gonna tight line underneath my eyelashes, kind of thicken them up a little bit. Notice the key with doing this is just almost, you kind of have to really trust your hand. Prop your elbow on something so you can steady it a lot more. And then I kind of blink into it. So while we're on the eyes still for a bit, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. So we'll be doing mascara later on after our foundation's all done. But yeah, see, it's kind of matching it. But I feel like I'm on that Princess Diaries thing. You know, that part where she's just like making the faces. To get our foundation, I just love this Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I think it makes my skin look super healthy. I don't know about the whole matte situation. My skin doesn't really, because I have pretty oily skin, so it doesn't really stay matte for very long, but it does give my skin a nice healthy looking glow, which I appreciate. And if you do happen to have oily skin and it drives you nuts throughout the day and you don't really know what to do, I suggest picking up a pair of these at your local CVS. They are a lifesaver during the day. Just sucks up all that oil. Before I forget, I'd like to welcome all of the new people that subscribed to me these past few weeks, even though I haven't really posted since my giant spree of concert videos. I know it's probably gonna be a little bit weird, me also posting a makeup video after all those, but that is what I do on this channel. Whenever I go to a show, I always like to take videos. One, for those people who weren't able to go to the show, and two, my memory kind of sucks, so I like to remember every single part of it. So that's why I took so many videos, especially at the last show. So it's nice to have those to look back on. So welcome to my channel. I do appreciate you subscribing. I know I tend to jump around to topics really easily, but that is how my mind works. I cannot help it. Also, it's really one-sided, so I'm just doing my best here. I don't know what to tell you. Just saying whatever thought pops into my head, really. Just set my entire face. God. Gate outside my apartment is so noisy. Bit of bronzing / contouring. Doesn't do too much, but you know, just something. Plus this Too Faced bronzer, whatever, the Chocolate Soleil. It smells so good too, so, you know, it's a plus here. Here, just get out of my way. Due for a haircut. I haven't got my hair cut in so long. Literally the best part of any makeup look, in my opinion, is the highlight. Get the nose. I'm gonna put Dreamer right there at the top. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner to highlight there. Ooh, that was a good choice. I just love how pigmented the Anastasia palettes are. Like, I've only tried 2, but you know, they've all been A+ so far, so I can only assume that the rest are that great too. Perfect. Just what I wanted. I'm gonna move on to the bottom part. So, since the fan has these bluish tones, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm just gonna be taking, excuse you, I'm gonna be taking this kind of navy blue color right there. It is a Talk Derby to me. I really want to know how they come up with some of these names for makeup, because some of them don't make any sense to me. For this look, we're gonna be making it kind of dark. Be good for like a going out at night. So if you weren't going out, you could probably just leave it like this, put some mascara on the bottom, call it a day. So I am using this kind of fluffier brush, so it still allows me to kind of go under the eye, but it kind of helps blend it out well. Blend it out as well, if I can talk. And there you are. I'm taking my Glossier Mascara, all-time favorite, just running it through the lashes. Just applied a little bit of mascara to the lower lashes, don't want to go too crazy. Okay, so all that's really left now is the lips. I'm just going to be using NYX's Butter Gloss. Really love these because they're not too sticky and they look really cute. I'm just gonna finish it all off with a good spray from Too Faced. Bada bing, bada boom, there you go. Alrighty, this is the finished look. It's modeled after this fan. I really like it because I'm really not used to wearing purples at all, but I think I might start because I really do actually enjoy this. So you can tell I also really love having this fan to play around with. Now I see why people would always carry them around everywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed the look. Sorry it took me so long to post anything, you know, just had a lot going on. But you know, life happens. There's nothing you can really do about it. You just gotta roll with the punches. But that is all for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.